Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this wheel cover on 150 Prados. So if I make some small mistakes, please forgive me. I'm not doing very often this, so all right, let's get started. To remove this one, of course we need to unlock our car. Okay, so after that, well, it's just basically we open this one. There is a nut here, as you can see. So from the car we grab, let's try to open this one. Alright, so we grab this key here and we use number 12. What was that? Temporary. Shut the doors. Okay, so basically undo here. Well, it'd be hard with the one hand doing this. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so when you're done this one, you undo this and the ball out. So basically it's a clips on each this one here. It's actually clip up here. So all these marks, they got a clips there. So you basically, as I said, like doing with one hand, I'm not quite sure you're gonna be able to do this one. Oh, yeah, I made it. Okay, before that, don't forget, which I just forgot, to unclip this one here. So to do this one, open doors a little bit and unclip that one. Shut the doors and take the cover off. Okay, now you can see you got a lock here. That tire is a little bit dirty. Okay, so basically to unlock this one on your key, you use, okay, I'll put it here. So you use this key, push it in, no, other way. See, take it off, undo this, and take your wheel out. To lock this, put this one in, this one out, and it's locked. That's pretty much it. Well, now I have to clean this wheel. It looks really dusty. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you.